Recipe for protecting rice from insects. Ingredients: rice, the quantity you need to protect. Bay leaves, optional, 4, 5 leaves per cup of rice. Cloves, optional, 2, 3 cloves per cup of rice. Food-grade airtight container, large enough to hold your rice. Instructions: 1. Choose a suitable container. Select a clean, food-grade airtight container that can comfortably hold the amount of rice you want to protect. 2. Inspect the rice. Before transferring your rice to the container, carefully inspect it for any signs of insects or moisture. Discard any rice grains that appear discolored, damaged, or suspicious. 3. Add bay leaves, optional. If you have bay leaves, place 4, 5 leaves per cup of rice at the bottom of the container. Bay leaves have natural insect-repelling properties. 4. Include cloves, optional. For an extra layer of protection, you can add 2, 3 whole cloves per cup of rice. Cloves also help deter insects. 5. Transfer the rice. Pour the rice into the container. Make sure not to overfill it, leaving some space at the top for the rice to expand as it absorbs moisture. 6. Seal the container airtight. Ensure that the container is sealed tightly to prevent any air or moisture from getting in. This step is crucial in keeping insects away. 7. Store in a cool, dry place. Place the sealed container in a cool, dry area of your kitchen or pantry. Avoid areas with high humidity or temperature fluctuations, as these can attract insects. 8. Regularly inspect and rotate. Periodically check the rice for any signs of insect activity or moisture buildup. If you notice any issues, remove the affected rice immediately. Every few months, gently rotate the rice in the container to prevent it from settling and potentially forming pockets of humidity. 9. Use as needed. Whenever you need rice for cooking, take out the desired amount from the container. Reseal the container promptly to maintain its airtight integrity. By following these steps and using the optional ingredients like bay leaves and cloves, you can effectively protect your rice from insects and ensure that it remains fresh and free of infestations for an extended period.